In this video, we covered the Brother SE625 Embroidery Machine Complete Review. The Brother SE625 is a versatile 2-in-1 combination sewing and embroidery machine, making it a perfect choice for those who love both crafts. This machine offers a range of features that allow you to sew garments and accessories, as well as create custom embroidery designs. It's ideal for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore their creativity with ease. Whether you're designing clothes or stitching intricate embroidery patterns, the Brother SE625 is built to handle both. Key features of the Brother SE625: sewing and embroidery capabilities. Enjoy the flexibility of both sewing and embroidery in one machine. 4x4 inches. Embroidery field. Provides enough space for most medium-sized designs and patterns. 103 built-in sewing stitches. Includes basic, decorative, and heirloom stitches to bring variety to your sewing projects. 80 built-in embroidery designs. Pre-loaded designs make it easy to create stunning embroidery projects right away. 6 embroidery fonts. Great for monogramming and personalizing items. 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen. Edit, preview, and adjust your embroidery designs on the large screen for greater control. USB port for design importing. Easily import your own embroidery designs via USB to expand your creativity. Automatic needle threader. Simplifies the threading process, making setup quicker and easier. Drop-in bobbin system. Jam-resistant bobbin system ensures smooth and consistent stitching. Pros of the Brother SE625. Pros of the Brother SE625. Number 1. Combines both sewing and embroidery functionalities in one machine. Number 2. 103 built-in sewing stitches and 80 embroidery designs provide plenty of creative options. Number 3. 3.2-inch color touchscreen allows for easy design editing and previewing. Number 4. USB port enables easy import of custom designs. Number 5. Automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin make it user-friendly. Cons of the Brother SE625. Number 1. The 4x4 inches embroidery field may feel small for larger projects. Number 2. Some users may find the touchscreen a bit small for more detailed editing. Price range. The Brother SE625 is typically priced between $350 to $450 making it an affordable option for a combination sewing and embroidery machine. The wide range of features it offers, coupled with its versatility, makes it a great value for both beginners and experienced users looking for a multifunctional machine. For high-quality digitizing services to make your designs flawless, visit digitizing.com and get started with expert embroidery digitizing services.